on the search. What up? But we got everybody in the first place we're doing today.
We're doing BEARDBRAND Ranch.
That's right. All right.
Yes.
I'm excited. All right, we are here at our first stop, BEARDBRAND Ranch. So we're gonna be walking down here and exploring. This area has petroglyphs. So we're gonna be coming down here and checking that out. And it's really nice. We got lucky on the weather. And head down here and see what we see. So Nikki, can I ask you a few questions?
Ask me some questions.
Okay, because I didn't do any research on this place. What are we're looking at petroglyphs, right?
Yeah, okay, so apparently this is like the predecessor of the Hopi. So they're called what are they called? Siga, whatever. It means like without water, named by the Spanish, so it's some bullshit name that some other people came up with. But basically, it's like there's 1,000 petroglyphs. It's like one of the biggest sites that has petroglyphs. It's like the largest petroglyph compilation, there you go, in Arizona. So that's where we're going to. It's called BEARDBRAND. It's awesome. I don't know what we're gonna see. I've never seen it myself, but
I'm excited.
already I really like it.
So we are at BEARDBRAND Ranch with the petroglyphs here. I'm going to walk you guys all the way down this rock wall and show you. So this is really cool. I don't know exactly what I was expecting to see, but not this much. There's a ton of stuff on the walls out here. It's really, really cool on this big, massive wall. Let me see. Especially on this stone down here, there's so much stuff. Really cool. We're getting some history lessons. So if you're coming out here to BEARDBRAND, obviously the main attraction is going to be the petroglyphs, and those were awesome, right, to see just now. But there's a little parking space, and you come down to the visitor center and sign in there. There's a bathroom, really nice. From there, it's just a short walk down the trails to this other little spot here. Just follow the signs, and you're going to get hit right in the face with this big giant wall that has petroglyphs all over it. So we just had a blast walking around there and checking everything out, the four of us. That was really cool. We've still got a bunch more sites to go see. So we're off to the next one. I think we're gonna check out one more spot in the area here. And then we've got Meteor Crater and another site to see before we call it a night. We're gonna have a late night tonight, but we're all game for it, so here we go.